quick view here, the most recent drawing under the wing 76 in this Human Rights, Tolerance Education, Holocaust Education art series is now completely framed. I added not a single frame, but I added an additional outside frame on top and on the right, giving it, in art school terms, asymmetrical balance. Well, talk about the Holocaust and other genocides. There's asymmetry in human behavior at its zenith. All right, here we have it. Two teenage anti-Nazi partisans executed by the Nazis in Belarus, 1941, with metaphoric birds' wings and a whole bunch of allegorical sea monsters I drew. All right, there you have it. I hear a lot of Thank you for your input, your foul input. That's it. Play on words, guys. F-O-W-L, not F-O-U-L. The Nazis were F-O-U-L.